Here on Oklahoma Gardening, we like to feature new products occasionally on the show and keep you abreast of the latest in horticulture. Here's something that was sent to us to trial here. It's called the Gardener's Guide Garden Planning Kit. And it's really interesting. It's a large laminated sheet of graph paper, and it comes with sheets of these little plastic press-on vegetables. And so if you don't have any artistic talent and you can't draw a straight line, you can use this instead and never pick up a pencil, yet lay out a beautifully planned vegetable garden. Now I've laid out here a large family-sized garden. It comes with little fake landscape timbers that you can lay out a nice rectangle with. And then down here I've put 2 seasons worth of a small raised bed garden. And this grid is a 1/2 inch equals 1 foot. And so you can end up with planting a fairly large area or several medium-sized areas on one sheet and hang on to it through the season. Now, another nice feature about it that helps you plan a garden is that you can plan succession plantings. And if you look over here in the corner, I have some small corn plants laid out and pressed on the surface, and then over them I've put 3 pumpkin plants. Now each of these pieces of plastic are sized for each vegetable according to how large it will get, and that will also help you visualize how much space you need to leave in the garden. Now this is a very new product. It's not even being distributed in Oklahoma yet, but if you are interested in ordering one, write to us here at Oklahoma Gardening and we'll give you the details. But we just thought you might be interested in something new that you might not see on your nursery shelves this spring.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.